In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notifications on thread replies in Slack. When you're working with a team in Slack, a lot of important conversations happen inside threads. That helps keep channels organized, but it also makes it easy to miss updates if you're not constantly checking back. The good news is that Slack lets you turn on notifications for replies to threads you're following so you can stay updated automatically on your desktop and mobile devices. To get started, open the Slack desktop app on your computer. Once Slack is open, go to your profile picture. Depending on your layout, this may appear in the bottom left corner of the sidebar or in the top right area of the window. Click your profile image to open the menu, then select Preferences. This will open the settings area where you can control how Slack alerts you. Inside the Preferences window, look over to the left-hand side and make sure you're in the Notifications tab. This is the main section where Slack manages banners, sounds, and other alert behavior. If it doesn't open there automatically, just click Notifications at the top of the menu column. Next, move to the right panel and scroll down until you reach the section labeled Notify Me About. In this area, look for the option that says Notify Me About Replies to Threads I'm Following. Once you find it, click the checkbox or switch to turn it on. After that, Slack will save the setting automatically, so there's no need to click a separate save button. With this enabled, Slack can send you alerts whenever someone replies to a thread you're already following. That can include desktop banners, sound notifications, and mobile push notifications, depending on how your overall notification settings are configured. This is especially helpful if you're keeping track of project updates, bug discussions, review comments, or any conversation that continues quietly in the background. There's also an optional step to keep in mind. If you want notifications for a specific thread that you didn't start and weren't tagged in, you may need to follow that thread manually. To do that, hover over the main message that started the thread. In the action toolbar that appears, click the notification icon or open the More Options menu and choose Follow Thread. Once you do that, new replies in that thread will be sent to your notification feed. And that's all you need to do to stay on top of thread replies in Slack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.